In today's air fryer series, we are making delicious chicken breast right in the air fryer. It only takes 8 minutes. I meal prep this out. It's going to be 3 meals because this is a pretty good sized chicken breast. But if that sounds good to you, let's get started and start adding this in to your weekly meal plan. Going to turn out just like mine. Follow along step by step. Before you get started though with all the prep, be sure to preheat your air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes. And then simply start by slicing your chicken into pieces that you would get, if you went out and got a grilled chicken salad. So once you get it all cut into, thin strips, I'm going to season it up and we'll throw it in the air fryer and we are going to be good to go. So first, my favorite. This is a natural sweetener. Honey is not going to spike your blood sugar levels like the preservatives or the artificial sweeteners that you find in, other glazes and other marinades. So go ahead and drizzle on a little bit of the honey, a tablespoon. And then I add, if you checked out any of my other videos, the garlic powder. We're going to add cinnamon because what cinnamon does is creates like a thermic effect inside of your body, and it goes to work at burning fat and using fat as fuel. We're going to add some of the pink Himalayan salt, the ground ginger for digestion and gut health, and to cut through that sweetness that we added, I add the cayenne pepper. Whenever you can get cayenne pepper into your body, go ahead and do so. This is going to be a metabolism booster and also stabilizes your blood sugar levels. A little goes a long way. I add a little black pepper. And then, of course, we just throw on our baggy gloves. And I'm sorry, before we put on our baggy gloves, go ahead and drizzle the extra virgin olive oil over the top as well. All of this is just sealing in those seasonings, and it creates a little bit of a protective coating for it and keeps the inside so juicy while the outside, cooks up nice. And just work that all together. And then we're just going to take this over to our preheated air fryer, throw it in, 8 minutes. We'll check it at 4, and I will show you what we've got. If you're wondering what air fryer I use, I have the 6-quart Chefman. And just place the chicken down in there. So just drop it into the bottom of the tray like that. Spread it out. The 6-quart is such a nice tray base. So it's great for meal prepping because you can cook up more at one time, which is always great to save time. And then place it in your air fryer, 400 degrees for 8 minutes. And like I said, we will check back on this in 4 minutes. 4-minute mark. And you can see it's cooking up very nicely. Of course, you're going to want to use your meat thermometer at the end. But at this point, I'm just going to individually turn each one over so that they cook evenly on each side. So once you get them all flipped, go ahead and place them back in the air fryer for the last 4 minutes. So we're right at the last few seconds here, and let's pull it out and see what we've made. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. If we can just take a moment to appreciate this. Are you seeing this? So tender, so juicy, but it has nice, coating on the outside. So flavorful, but you can see I am stabbing that fork right into it. Nice and tender. For everybody who is just wanting to know how to cook the chicken in the air fryer, into the air fryer, 400 degrees for 4 minutes. Flip each piece over, cook it for another 4 minutes, and you are set. This is going to get plated up now, and I'm going to show you how I enjoy it with a delicious meal and how I will have enough to meal prep out for another 2 meals. So you saw how easy that was to cook up in the air fryer. I don't know about you, but I think taking the 8 minutes to be able to meal prep out this one, this, and this, have 3 meals, juicy, delicious chicken. I'm going to throw it over the bed of lettuce. Remember, when you're looking for your leafy greens, to do the deep dark colors with the deep greens and the purples for the polyphenols. I'm going to slice this lemon, squeeze that over the top. I'm going to dice up a quarter of this avocado, and I'm going to break that over the top. And then I really want to challenge you, if you are following me for the gut health, get the kimchi pickles. It's a great way to start to introduce fermented foods into your body. Dice those up, add those on top. And of course, I'm going to use up the last of my pico de gallo, and I'll definitely be running out to get more of that. And then you can see we have the other 2 portions that I'll put in the refrigerator, and they will be meal prepped out with some quinoa or with a chickpea salad or something else for the next 2 days for lunch. And it only took 8 minutes. Let's go on that one. Do you want me to cut into a piece of it? I'm going to show you how it'll just slice with a fork. Look at that. Just butter tender. All right. Well, thanks again, guys, for joining me on another air fryer series. I hope that you are going to make this chicken breast this week, and let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it. If you know of anybody else that could benefit from these quick, easy air fryer healthy recipes, please go ahead and share my channel, and be sure to make sure you're subscribed. So click that link down below, subscribe to Healthy Days, and I will see you in the next one.